Imagine you're on a trip to Southeast Asia, exploring vibrant markets and trying exotic food. You hail a Grab ride to your next destination, but when you open the app, you are greeted with a foreign currency. What do? How do you pay for your ride? GrabPay, a popular digital wallet in Southeast Asia, is a convenient way to pay for rides, food, and more. But with so many countries and currencies in the region, it's natural to wonder, what currencies are accepted by GrabPay? Understanding GrabPay's currency support. GrabPay is designed to cater to the diverse needs of its users. While it doesn't support every currency in the world, it covers a significant portion of Southeast Asia, making it a reliable payment option for travelers and locals alike. Key currencies accepted by GrabPay. Here are some of the major currencies supported by GrabPay. Singapore dollar, SGD. As Grab originated in Singapore, the SGD is one of the primary currencies accepted by the app. Malaysian ringgit, MYR. Grab has a strong presence in Malaysia, and the MYR is a widely used currency on the platform. Indonesian rupiah, IDR. Indonesia is a major market for Grab, and the IDR is a crucial currency for transactions. Thai baht, THB. Thailand is another key market for Grab, and the THB is accepted for payments. Vietnamese dong, VND. Grab has expanded its reach to Vietnam, and the VND is supported for transactions. Philippine peso, PHP. The Philippines is another country where Grab operates, and the PHP is accepted on the platform. Currency conversion and fees. If you're using GrabPay in a country where your currency isn't directly supported, the app will typically convert your funds to the local currency. However, it's important to be aware of any conversion fees that may apply. These fees can vary depending on your bank or payment provider. Additional tips for using GrabPay. Check your wallet balance. Before making a payment, ensure you have sufficient funds in your GrabPay wallet. Verify the currency. Always double-check the currency displayed in the app to avoid any misunderstandings. Enable auto-reload. If you frequently use GrabPay, consider enabling the auto-reload feature to ensure you never run out of funds. Take advantage of promotions. Grab often offers promotions and discounts, so keep an eye out for deals that can save you money. GrabPay is a versatile digital wallet that can make your travels in Southeast Asia much easier. By understanding the supported currencies and following a few simple tips, you can confidently use GrabPay for your payments and enjoy a hassle-free experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.